we go, towards the point. There we go, fish on. Nice snapper. Hey, beautiful little fish. Let's put him back real quick and see if we can get a bigger one. There we go, fish on. Tug of war, get him out of those rocks. No, 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 no. Come on, get out of there. See, I hold my spool, I don't even try to reel. Just hold my spool, I only give when I need to. And now he's out of the rocks and I'm starting to crank like a friggin' madman. Woo! There he is. Wow. Absolute stunning fish, you know, these snappers, they they fight so incredibly hard. Probably hard to see on film, you know, it's kind of dark out there still, but I had a big blow up. And then what these fish do, they'll come up and stun the bait with their tail, they kind of whack it. What has worked really well for me is to just let the lure sit there, don't move it, just kind of twitch your rod tip. 9 out of 10 times they'll come right back up and eat the prey they think they stunned. If you get him out of his hole or comfort zone and make him swim away, then there's a big chance you'll end up catching it. Yeah, man, a lot of fun. You'll really get a kick out of this. Big roosters. Fish on. Right here, it's about a 30-some plus pound rooster. Gorgeous fish. I caught it on a ballyhoo. There he goes. We fully support catch and release on those roosters. It's one of the reasons when we land them, try to grab them by the tail. Try to stay away from their gills, because a lot of times you stick your hand in the gills trying to lift the fish and you start shaking and you kind of damage the fish inside real bad, okay? So we grab them by the tail, drag them up on the beach, and keep them low at all times. Don't lift the fish really high, so when he starts flopping around and you drop him, I mean, it's all bad for him. So, hey, anyways, thanks for joining us. Keep watching. We're gonna catch another one. Come and get everything you need to land your own trophy fish at any of our retail locations, and visit us online at jansen.mx or cabokiller.com. Also subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow us on Facebook and Instagram.